Hello everyone, hello. What is gonna go on today? Is gold gonna go higher? Is gold gonna go lower? Is euro gonna go lower? Or is it gonna go higher? Let's find out today. Today is a good day. Have a fantastic day, everyone. So hopefully guys, most of you guys are subscribed to this channel. If not, please make sure that you are, as giveaways are coming almost on a running track here. I think there's going to be a giveaway this week. There's going to be a giveaway next week, I think, as well. They're going to be on one out on FOMC as well. I haven't thought about how to do that though, but I'm thinking about it, right? Thinking about it. So that's kind of what happens there, right? DJ! Alright, if you are a funded trader and you're thinking, you know, fantastic. No, Sophie, if you are a trader that has a fantastic track record right now, but don't have the money for it, maybe you should consider today's sponsor.
This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan. So they can't hear me. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So you sell here, people. No. You sell there, you know, sell one. Sell that price there, 106.75. Okay. I think that's okay. So can nobody does anyone hear me? Yeah. Okay. People are saying what? Hi, FOREX family. Hello, Ivan. Hi, Samsung. Hi, Tito. Not sure from me, or did we lose audio? Oh, we don't have audio? Okay, let me check. Okay. Is it sound now then? Is it better now? Now, yes. Up, down, you know? I forgot to take on the sound. I'm sorry. Well, you know, I guess it's gonna be, you know, I guess it's jokes on me then before for not putting sound on. But what else can go wrong today?
What else can go wrong today if that is going bad? Forgetting to now you can hear. Yeah, okay. Good morning. Yes, mate. I forgot this was live stream with humor. Yeah, it is with humor. Yes, mate. Adu is back, mate. Harold, Adu is here. Yeah, Adu is here. Hi, Adu. We can. Oh, where you go, mate. So that is where you sell. Good profits, mate. You know, as always. I realized I didn't have sound on after I've been talking for I think 2 minutes. I think it was. And then when I started to do all these things, so you know that's one thing out of it. The other thing is. Fantastic, Samsung. Run away with 60 pips over euro. Yeah. That's good. I love that, mate. I love that. This audio has current 0 bitrate. Okay. Recommend euro Aussie stream beta 125. Okay, whatever. Is it all off again? Come on. What's going on here? Do I need a mixer? Do I need like a different guy that would control my sound? Checking. 1, 2, 3. Okay, fair enough. So that's one side of things. Is selling euro didn't work out, but the reason why I said sell euro, it's in its own humor though, because we have a reach target and we are extended below. Pound is another one that is a sell up there, but it has gone a bit lower today. Hasn't done what we kind of wanted to do. So, you know, it's interesting. Hasn't gone bullish yet. I saw one guy asking, can we buy gold? So I will do a small working now. Okay, so what do you call it? Should we buy gold? Question mark. If you live near me, I would be your audio guy, but you may lose viewers because my awesome job of knowing how audio works. Alright, mate. That's great. 6 likes today, 23 people right here, right now. That is good. I think that as long as we have more than 1, we are all great. We're all okay. We are all doing well. And the other thing here is, people, is what is the current view on gold? Where are we right now? Are we in a good spot or bad spot? Not so good spot? Like what's your verdict here, people? Somebody says yes. Somebody says no. It's 50-50 of 6 votes. Okay. So if 20 people of you can do it, that will be great. Hoping the best for you, Jay. Bye. Enter the 127.82. Okay, I will look at that Samsung. I don't like it though. But yeah, I don't like it. The reason is we have a hit target, a lot of targets, meaning that it can just fall whatever. And as you can see, you're on profit. That doesn't mean it's a good 127.80, 127.80. What? I don't like that entry at all, Samsung. Nope-sy bupsy. Yeah, I don't like it at all. Do not like it at all. You are too late to apologize. It's too late. So yeah. Dollar's very bullish. That's why I think buying is not advice. Yeah, okay. That's on gold then. Yeah, I get that's on gold. So, you guys are 10 votes in and 50-50. Okay, come on. Come on, people. Come on. Give it more. Use your voters' right to add your opinion. I can't do 50-50. That doesn't make sense. I can't buy and sell an asset, okay? And the reason, and what I'm actually quite surprised of, is 5 people here think we should buy gold. I'm most surprised of that. Because what we have here, people, I'm gonna give you facts, okay? Gold is for the brave. But I'm gonna give you facts, okay? I'm gonna give you facts. The fact is today, people, is that we have 12 votes, 50-50. And the thing here is not bullish. It's not bullish, mate. Where's the bullishness? Come and tell me. Where's the bullishness? Where is the higher high? You tell me. And that is going to be a fantastic trade if it is a buy, right? But since it's not a higher high right now, and a higher low, and all those other things, where do we get our money? It's even trying to make a lower low. Mamma mia. What is wrong here? Eh? You can't make my money in lower lows, eh? Min Lorenzo. Lorenzo. Ay. Mom. No, people, we can't buy that. And I'm going to end that. And I'm really disappointed in those 5 of you who have said yes. Can somebody tell me that why we should buy gold at this moment, right now? Can somebody tell me why we should buy gold at this moment? Give me a reason. And I ask, it's almost like I ask God, give me a reason. And he shall, if you ask, you shall receive. So I will wait for those 5 people to give them a reason. I'm not shaming you. I'm not shaming you. I want to know. What do you know that I don't know? Or is it just for jokes? Or is it just for jokes? We have come into the buy for oil. Eh? Gute. That is, I'm gonna add that to, I don't know, at everyone probably somewhere. Gold trade, so that is 120. Okay, that's gonna be a, oops, it's gonna be a chart. It's gonna be there. It's gonna be there. Chart at everyone. Bought oil 100.20. Stop loss 96.82. Target so far is 104.80. TP 104.80. Okay. Good enough for me, good enough for you. Took that, bought oil. Copy chat. There we go. There we go. Okay, cool. Where else am I gonna end? Where else am I gonna make? Where else am I gonna say it? It's gonna be in trades. Noopsie Pepsi. It's gonna be that one. At everyone. Yeah. Okay. Sånn da. Who else? What else do you guys need to know? That's okay. JT has revoked a message. I don't know what you mean. What do you want to say? But okay, cool. All right. Other than that, good. So Yeah, losing money. That's what you said. Yeah. Okay, gold is still bearish, still making lower highs and lower lows ish, maybe. This can snap higher, yes, but that's not what we are here for, right? We're here for when it does. We're gonna go on the candle and we're gonna be okay, it's a higher high, boom, 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 right? New Zealand dollar has reached target, I remember. It came up to central today. Did anyone sell? Did anyone sell Aussie New Zealand? New Zealand dollar? At 0.658. If I was to sell euro, somebody should run ask me if I sold the euro. If I was to sell euro, where would I sell it? I would either sell it at Central, which never was hit this morning, or I would have sold it yesterday at around 1 p.m. If this is only day, if it's only day trading, I'm going to look at. That is the entire thing that I'm going to look at only. That is the pullback there. That's the pullback. And that's the pullback. Didn't happen. Is there a small trade there? Nah, I don't want to do that. So I just now want to hold that for tomorrow. If this comes up here today, I can do that tomorrow. You know, people, that is only if you do day trade only. Sutter Khan says your analysis is professional. Love you. Thank you very much. I love you too. Look at DXY, says Kyle. And if you look at DXY, which I've already done, it's making higher highs. Okay? And what it does is like, is this the last? My question is this the last hooray? When it doesn't go to target, it doesn't go to buy entry, it just goes hooray. What does that? How does that look like? That looks like this. Okay? It looks like this. Sorry. This day here, no buy, just up and then falling next day. Another one here where we don't go to target, we're going to go down to buy zone, just go straight to target, then we fall back down again. That is when, you know, when it does reach going to parabolic here and here, that makes me nervous. So there is no such thing there today. Of there, so I would be more cautious. Of course, I'm not gonna buy it now whatsoever, but of course that's the plan. If you only look at day trade, that means the monthly target's been hit, weekly target's been hit. That means that you are buying the highest high in this planet at support, so you are likely to have losses, but we are just continue because the market's gonna continue. Okay. So I said sell earlier today, and you know, it's still valid as a limit order, but nothing else than that. And then oil, which I mentioned, I put up a limit order here yesterday. So we are coming back down for a second chance now for oil. That was UK, by the way. Sorry, for UK oil here coming down for a second chance. So I just looked down and it's been triggered here. So, you know, does it turn around or does it continue higher? You know, if you're going to add a trade here, you need to have double bottom or some kind of higher high here and then continue buying again. So that's kind of what you're looking for now if you didn't get it. The other question is it going to go back lower before we start reversing again? That's a different case and a different setup. So right now, that is kind of what you are hoping for. You know, that it does go higher in the end at this moment. But yeah. So, yeah, coming down again to my entry level, which is okay. I can live with that. I can live with that. And then we make consolidation tomorrow. I would say we'll look through tomorrow. We'll look through tomorrow. Shuran says cool. New Zealand dollars no sells for Joel. That is good for me as well. Okay. The other thing that you guys were wondering about yesterday was New Zealand yen, I think it was. Somebody asked me to look at New Zealand yen, and I said that is support. But also, if you look away, that is also the sell limit to sell. How do you trade this market? Do you trade it blindly and say, okay, I believe we're going to go lower. I believe we're going to go... This is not the bottom. Harold called me. What happened, Harold? What? But so for me here is what's the situation? The situation for me is I obey the targets being set by higher time frame, because they normally punch you in the face if you don't. Right? So weekly here. What does that mean? How do you make a trade plan then? You make a trade plan like that and that. You make a trade plan like that or that if you're a seller. If it now continues and goes there like Euro did, how do you behave? Do you now be like, oh, I can't live without trading. I need to trade something. Eivind, please just tell me. Please. I'm dying. What do I do? How do I do it? Is that how we trade? JG says lol. No. So, do you know what, people? Do you know what I've done? Today I went out of the office. I went to the airport and back. I picked up my wife from work. I did other things that I normally don't do. You know, I take time with my family now. I'm even trying to get people to come over. Why? Because I don't need to work so hard right now for my trades. There's not much to do. But what is more important than when there's nothing much to do is to still keep believing that the market is going to come back to you. Right? Russia is still very much alive, and they are closing down pipeline or supply of gas to Poland. They are threatening Bulgaria today. The S&P 500 is currently making lower lows, and I said yesterday, if you guys want to sell it, congratulations, that is your sell. I can probably find if I want to, and if you want to, but yeah, that's what you're looking for. So if you want to make money on this one and being direct with the market, not necessarily in the direction with the your buyers, fair enough. Jokes. Have a good time. Am I supposed to have a meeting today? Right? Miro said he sold based on daily pivots. And it's going well. Yeah, it is. Good on you. I love that you when you do well. In the VIP webinar earlier today, I can't remember the price. What did I buy it? I can do whoops. Just gonna take that away for a moment, so I can do. Yeah, pound dollar sell. I sold the market one. Okay, let's see if I can find it then. Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. There it is. So in the VIP webinar today, I sold. Yeah. I sold it live there to show one thing. Impatience. Hans says. Hans, are you Norwegian? I can give you a Norwegian joke. Bogtapi Mera says, sorry, your voice is not very clear. I do apologize for that. I know I am mumbling. It's a part of my disadvantages. Okay. Hud says yes. Okay. Let's see here. Which one? Which one? Which one am I gonna take? Okay, I'm gonna get cancelled for that joke. I'm not gonna do that joke. Oh, I'm going through a lot of bad jokes. I'm going through a lot of offensive jokes at the moment, people. I'm sorry about that. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. What? The thing is, I can, it's about, No, I don't want to be cancelled. I don't want to be cancelled. Okay. Hans, listen to this one. This is not cancelling. Okay, fair enough. You can cancel me if you cancel me for this one. I don't care. Which bees produces milk? Hans, which bees produces milk? Anil says, which is better, S&P or US 30? I like 500. I like US 500. S&P 500 more than US 30. That's just me. They both move on the same reasons, and they still behave the same way. And if you take them on the 4 hour maybe, and you add them together, you see that in the same time period, S&P 500 moved lower than US 30. US 30 is more bullish than S&P general. It has some higher peaks, so it shows you it's kind of like more more bullish. But for 2022 in total, S&P has fallen more than US 30. But if you look for 2021, it has fallen. Okay, Hans, which bees produces milk? Boobies. But anyways, why on A1 live stream the sound very clear, but here the sound is very low? Okay, mine very low. Then I apologize again. I can go higher. Sonda, is that better? That's a bit much. Better. Fine. Sonda. We have different software that we put it through. I have different software than we use on A1. Alright, cool. Nobody laughed at my joke. Okay, whatever. You guys are boring. Thank you. What do you call a fish without eyes? Fish. Fish in Norwegian. You can do better. Oh, Hans didn't like it. Oh, listen to Hans. Hans didn't like it. Okay, I can do better. You know, Hans, if you join Zoom meetings at around 10 p.m. Norwegian time, I can tell you my I can tell you all my juicy ones. I just don't. This is supposed to be family friendly. No, it's not supposed to be, but you know, doesn't hurt, does it? You tried to find the shock emoji. Really? It's either that one, or it's that one, or it's, well, was it the other one? Surprised. I guess at least what I can find right now. I can't find a Mona Lisa though. I don't know if you want to find a Mona Lisa, but she's probably pretty shocked. I can't. So sensitive. Or those ones. It's just literally just a slight move on the computer, on the mouse, and it's a whole other thing. It's a whole other scenario. Whatever. Hi, Colin. Does anyone hear any music in the background? Why do I fall down on this chair? It's annoying. So right now in use 30, it's still just bearish. So I'm just waiting for it to come back up again. Waiting here to wait for go back up again. Sonda. Okay? There we go. If somebody is wondering what I do nothing. So I bought oil. How is it going, mate? It's 99. Okay, cool. I said it was direct stop loss, maybe. Maybe it's a bit too early. And then New Zealand yen was requested for. Yeah, we did that earlier. Yeah, trade. And we're gonna do that again. Aussie yen. The thing is, that's a sell. Yeah, you do. Yeah, okay, cool. I'm just wondering, like, is that the end? Because the thing is, that's a pretty hard fall. That's a pullback. And then the pullback is just getting harder and harder. Like, the pullback is getting better and better. So that's like that's a warning sign. So 9-50 might be the bottom. Just be aware of that. That if we do that, you don't worry so much. But yeah, so right now it's a sell, I guess, on the daily, and Bob's your uncle, I guess. I actually read Calvin. I actually read it listed as bitch here. So we can look at the bitch. So BTC, nothing to buy here either. It's kind of like in the middle, kind of somewhere. Kind of in a bearish trend. Is it buy the bottom no matter what? Not really. I don't want to buy the bottom whatsoever. So, you know, it's kind of like, how else do you do it? What else do? You wait. That's the problem, mate. Sorry, mate. Can't do anything about it. What is trending? USD Swissy is trending. Is Swissy pairs falling? Not really. Did anyone buy USD Swissy? At all? Or is that just a forgotten saga 2 years ago type of situation? Okay, nobody? Okay, cool. That fall yesterday on nat gas is something interesting to buy. It hasn't made a higher high yet, but that's definitely something that I would like to do. You bought Swissy dollar Swissy, sorry, at 93.50. Oh, okay. Look at you. Which day? Wee. That's a good one, mate. That's a good one. Like here somewhere. 14th, yeah. I don't like your entry though. Just got out today. Okay. Congratulations, Sam. I even called you Samantha one day, but yeah, congratulations, Sam. Very happy for you. I don't like your entry. I like your stamina that you held for so long. Didn't take profit when you would have. So yeah, really great, actually, really great. Yeah, I don't like your entry. That could have been a spot and at resistance. So, but you still got it. So I wouldn't do it again. But that is much better though. But I don't know if you were there available at that point. But it's a kind of a format trade. But at least you held it out. You held it out. All right, people. Seems like there's a bit of a low turnout today. So that is the core. The 29 of you is the core in my group. Friday is going to be good. I think Friday's going to be good. Today, should we? I don't know. I'm just going to say it now at the end. I don't think there's going to be daily setups today. I don't see any setups that we can do. So I don't want to waste anyone's time. It is because of market, not because of me. I would still be there, but I don't think there's gonna be any recordings because of it. And then I am going to prepare for May. what's my take on dollar index? Dollar index at this moment is going higher than highest. I think it should cool down and come a bit down so I can buy it against support. But other than that, it's a humongous trade at the moment. My only problem with this is if it stops and then just goes back down again when it's so overstretched. That's all. That's my theory. That's my only risk. Other than that, it's going higher. I'm not buying it anymore. I've stopped buying it, and that's where I get out of market. That is what I would like to do. So yeah. So if you want to trade dollar, there's euro dollar, but also the euro dollar is also not getting back to entries. So yeah. All right. Have a good day, people. I hope you are finding some time for your loved ones. I am going to at least work more and harder for you guys. So have a good one. See you soon. Boom.